Is it good?
Mm-hmm. See?
Oh, yeah, I see. It looks yummy.
I do.
I'm just looking at you.
Eat it. Try, Mom. It's good. It's tasty. I give you a piece. Good, Mommy. Piece. And it's good, Mom.
Well, you're the one that wanted it. You eat it.
It's good, Mommy.
I'm going to have some in my salad.
No. Don't have some salad in your salad. Me too.
Okay, I'll put some in your salad too. Are you all done with that?
No.
Yes, you are?
Salad.
You want to put it in your salad? Okay.
And like this. Like that.
You want it like that in your salad?
No.
You want me to cut it up?
Yeah. And this ball. And a ball. And this ball, Mommy. It's like a ball.
It is just like a ball, but it doesn't bounce.
Yes, it bounce. And it is bounce. Like that. It is bounce.
It's bouncing?
Yes. It. Cut it. Mommy, take a picture of me. Cheese.
Click, click.
I want to see.
I'm taking a video of you.
Cheese. 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 Push the button.
But I'm taking a video. If I push the button, it'll make the video stop.
Cheese.
Click, click.